In French, you will notice quite a few different accents, so I would like to take the time to share them with you, especially the ones on the E's. So here we have accent aigu, accent grave, and accent circonflexe, okay? I would say the first one is the most common. It's often used at the end of verbs. But I would like to show you how to pronounce them so that when you are reading, you're able to do the same thing. So here we say A, A, A. This one we say Eh, Eh. And the third, it's the exact same as the previous one. Eh, Eh. So from top to bottom, let's do it again. A, A, eh, 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 eh. When you are speaking and when you are reading, you will come across the sound A, A, A. So you will come across the sound A quite a bit. So I would like to show you different ways that we can write that sound so that you are familiar with it. A, this is one that we had just seen. Again, A, 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 and A. Okay? So this one, that one, and that one are often used at the end of verbs. This is something like if we were to say j'ai. It's also in other words, but just so that I can refer it to something that you might be familiar with. And you will see this again at the end of words too. Okay, so A, 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 and A. Okay, so wonderful job with that. I would like you to refer to your workbook right now and practice what we had just went over at least 3 times. So practice reading these the right way. A, 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 and the accents. A, eh, eh, A, eh, eh. Again, out of the 3 accents there, this one is the only one that is A, and the other 2 are eh. Okay, so great job.